If you're looking for ways to streamline your project management, CoConstruct can completely transform how you manage construction projects from start to finish. Stay tuned to find out how it simplifies everything, from budgeting to communication, and how you can try it for free with an exclusive bonus. First off, let's talk about project collaboration. CoConstruct offers a single platform where every team member can access real-time updates. Whether you're working with subcontractors, designers, or clients, everyone stays on the same page. This drastically reduces the need for back and forth emails, missed communications, and misunderstandings that can slow down your progress. Next thing, CoConstruct simplifies budgeting and financial tracking. You can easily create detailed budgets, track expenses in real time, and get insights into project costs. The software gives you the power to create estimates based on historical data, reducing the risk of cost overruns. Plus, everything is customizable, so you can adjust budgets as needed without hassle. The fourth thing CoConstruct does really well is project scheduling. Instead of juggling spreadsheets and scattered notes, CoConstruct offers a robust scheduling tool that integrates with every aspect of your project. You can set milestones, track deadlines, and adjust schedules with ease all in one place. Now let's talk about change order management. Handling changes to a project can be complicated, but CoConstruct makes it easy. You can create and approve change orders directly through the platform, making the process quicker and more transparent. This feature helps maintain accuracy and ensures no detail is overlooked. The sixth thing is communication. CoConstruct's messaging system lets you keep all conversations in one place, whether you're discussing plans with a client or asking a team member a quick question. No more scattered messages or lost details, and you can easily refer back to previous discussions. And the best part? You can try CoConstruct completely free. By clicking the first link below, you get exclusive access to an extended free trial, so you can test out all of these powerful features without spending a dime. Take advantage of this bonus and see for yourself how CoConstruct can simplify your project management. So, to sum up, CoConstruct integrates budgeting, scheduling, collaboration, change orders, and communication into one easy-to-use platform, making it the ultimate project management tool for construction professionals. If you want to see how it works for you, click the link below for your exclusive extended trial. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform how you manage projects.